Struggling to share your Salesforce reports with your team? Move them to a shared folder in just a few clicks. I get it. You've spent time building the perfect report with all the right filters and columns, and now you need your team to see it. But if that report is sitting in your private folder, nobody else can touch it. So let's fix that. I'll show you exactly how to move a report to a shared folder so your whole team can access it. Let's start. All right, first things first, we need to head over to the Reports tab. You'll see it in the main navigation bar at the top of your Salesforce screen. Go ahead and click on Reports. Now, once you're on the Reports homepage, you're going to see a list of all your recent reports. Find the specific report that you want to share with your team. It might be a sales forecast or a pipeline summary. Once you've located it, look over to the far right side of that row. See that little drop-down arrow? It looks like a small triangle or a downward-facing arrow. Click on that. From the menu that pops up, you're going to see a few different options. Likely things like Edit, Subscribe, and Delete. What you want is about halfway down the list. Look for the option that says Move. Click on Move. Now, here's where the magic happens. A new window or dialog box will open up, showing you the folder structure for your reports. This is essentially just a list of all the folders you have access to. You want to pick a shared folder, one that your entire team can view. In our case, we're moving it to a folder called Sales Reports. Click on that folder name to select it. Just make sure it's highlighted or that the radio button next to it is filled in. And then, at the bottom of that dialog box, you'll see a blue button that says Select Folder. Go ahead and click that. Now, let's double-check our work. Salesforce will bring you back to the Reports page. Go ahead and navigate into that Sales Reports folder. You should see your report sitting right there alongside any other reports that your team has access to. That is a great feeling. And here's something I always recommend checking before you step away. Once the report is in a shared folder, you want to make sure that folder's permissions are set up the right way. So hover over the name of the folder itself, not the report, but the folder. Click the drop-down arrow on the folder and look for an option that says Sharing or Folder Access. When you click that, you'll see who can view, edit, or manage the reports inside. Make sure your team members are listed there. If they're not, you can add them by clicking the Add button and searching for their names or their role. This tiny step saves you from getting those "I can't see it" messages later. Finally, and this might seem obvious, but don't forget to actually tell your team the report is there. Send a quick message in Slack or an email saying something like, "Hey, I just moved the quarterly pipeline report into the Sales Reports folder." You should all be able to access it now. It gives them a heads up and gets them looking at the data you worked so hard to build. So that's it. From a report stuck in your private folder to a report that your whole team can use, all in just a few clicks. It's one of those small skills that makes a huge difference in how your team works together. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.